Welcome to our YouTube channel called If This Car Could Talk. We've been together nearly 40 years, and we even met at a classic car event. We've always enjoyed classic and collectible cars and trucks, and over the years we've had 70 different vehicles, many of them that were driven daily, and countless others that were restored or hot-rodded if the car was a project. Often we'd buy these cars already finished, or at least mostly finished. We like all sorts of cars and pride ourselves in our knowledge and appreciation of the various eras of the American automobile. Although we do have a deep respect for the history, styling, and performance of European and Asian makes as well. But our favorite two eras are cars of the 1950s and the classic muscle car era in the decade and a half following in the 60s and 70s. We do have an extensive collection of die-cast cars, a fun and affordable way to obtain all your classic dream rides. Our wardrobes even consist mainly of car-related shirts. Cars are ingrained in our everyday lives. Our favorite part of the hobby is the people that love cars and trucks, and for that matter, all things with an engine. We have many dear friends from our time in the hobby. Sadly, some have passed on, but we still miss seeing them at various gatherings. When we retired, we thought we'd start a YouTube channel featuring classic and collectible cars. Living in Phoenix, Arizona, the car culture here is incredible, but it's not year-round. One of our favorite things is talking to car people to hear about their passions. Over the years, we've realized that each vehicle has its own special story. Often, these are interesting, poignant, funny, or just flat-out incredible. Being history buffs all our lives, we like to delve into the history of specific makes and models. We try to produce a video once a week, but that sometimes isn't always possible. We also attend car shows and auctions, cruise-ins and cars and coffee events, museums, and even private collections. We've even traveled to well-known national events like the Grand National Roadster Show and the Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals, plus more. If it's car-related, we're there. We try to make each video interesting and even educational. But please know this, everything that's researched is checked at least twice for accuracy. Photos are carefully selected to correspond with the narration to make viewing our videos more fun. And speaking of narration, every bit of it is a real person, me. Usually it's me, but sometimes Dana shares her soothing voice with the world. Either way, it's not artificial intelligence, more commonly known as AI. We know many channels are going to AI more and more, but we don't like it at all and we feel it takes the human element out of it. We know from your comments and speaking to viewers at events that many people feel the same way. We always welcome your comments and story suggestions and are always on the lookout for more interesting content. After 5 years and nearly 400 videos, this has become something we enjoy doing, and we hope people find some value in what we do. We're glad you're here today and really hope you decide to subscribe to the channel. It's free and all the videos are free to watch too. If you have any story suggestions or any constructive criticism, hit that comment button and fire away. But please be kind. We appreciate you viewing our videos and sincerely hope you enjoy them. For If This Car Could Talk, I'm Tom.
I'm Dana.
And God bless all of you. Thank you.